Step right up to a piece of automotive history with this stunning 1923 Ford T-Bucket, now available for just $22,500 in beautiful Red Rock, Arizona. This remarkable vehicle is not just a car, it's a testament to craftsmanship and passion, having undergone a complete frame-off restoration that brings together the charm of classic design with modern performance. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 8-cylinder engine, specifically a 327 cubic inch steel cranksourced from a 1968 Corvette, paired with a fresh T400 automatic transmission equipped with a shift kit, ensuring that every drive is as thrilling as it is smooth. With only 1,200 miles on the odometer, this beauty is practically like new and ready to hit the road. The striking orange paint gleams under the sun, while the convertible body invites you to bask in the open air on those perfect summer days. The rebuilt title speaks to the meticulous care that has gone into reviving this classic. The upgraded Willwood brake system and Hurst dual-gate shifter not only enhance safety but also add a layer of excitement to your driving experience. The all-new interior complements the overall aesthetic and comfort of this ride, making it an ideal choice for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. For anyone looking to own a piece of automotive art, this T-Bucket is more than just a car, it's a lifestyle. Priced competitively for its condition and features, this vehicle represents a fantastic investment opportunity for those who appreciate the beauty of classic cars. Don't miss out on this chance to own a timeless piece of history. Check out the link in the description for more information and photos, and take your first step towards owning this incredible machine today. Step into history with this 1916 Buick D45, a rare piece of automotive heritage that's nearly 110 years old. Priced at $8,000 and located in Loomis, California, this car is a true classic. It's an open touring car, featuring a black exterior and a manual transmission. This Buick is equipped with a 6-cylinder, 224 cubic inch valve-in head engine, a powerful unit for its time. Though the car is in fair condition, it's mostly complete, with some rust and minor wood replacement needed. The seller, who has owned the car for 32 years, intended to restore it but never got around to it. There's a bit of nostalgia to this vehicle, as it once ran, shifted, and had working brakes evidenced by a video the owner has of driving it around the block over 3 decades ago. This Buick D45 isn't just a car, it's a rare survivor that needs someone with a passion for classic restoration. The car comes with a clean California title and is currently on non-op registration. There's also an extra engine, transmission, wood spoke wheels, and other parts available for purchase, offering a great opportunity to complete this beauty's restoration. For a true enthusiast or collector, this could be the perfect project car to bring back to life. Whether you're a restoration expert or someone seeking a piece of history, the $8,000 price tag might just be a worthwhile investment for what could be an incredibly rewarding restoration. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more photos and details. Here's a classic piece of automotive history, a 1923 Ford Model T, offered for $7,500 in Upland, California. This car isn't just a ride, it's a testament to a bygone era. With its sleek black exterior and well-preserved gray interior, it oozes vintage charm. The car features a sturdy 4-cylinder engine, paired with rear-wheel drive, and runs on gasoline, a timeless combination for car enthusiasts. With just 1,234 miles on the odometer, this car has plenty of life left, especially considering its well-maintained condition. It's a 1923, so don't expect modern comforts. The transmission is a bit different, but that's part of the charm. This Model T was restored back in the 1990s, and it's been carefully kept up since then. The Rocky Mountain brakes, Ruxdel 2-speed rear end, and Stromberg of carburetor add a touch of mechanical nostalgia. Plus, it comes with a California car cover and year of manufacture, YOM, plates already assigned to the car. The clean title status means no worries on the paperwork side, and with no trades needed, this gem is ready for a true classic car lover. If you're looking for a project, this could be a golden opportunity whether to maintain it as is or take it to the next level. Given the condition and the restoration work that has already been done, the price feels like a fair entry into the world of collectible cars. Whether you're a collector or simply an admirer of automotive history, this 1923 Ford Model T could be a fantastic investment. For more details and photos, make sure to check out the link in the description. Step into the world of classic cars with this stunning 1923 Ford Model T Roadster, now available for just $10,500 in Santa Clara. This beauty is not just a car, it's a piece of history that promises to turn heads wherever it goes. With only 1,000 miles on the custom 355 SBC motor and turbo 350 transmission, this vehicle runs like a dream and is ready for your next adventure. The fiberglass body has been expertly channeled and coated in sleek black plasti dip, giving it a modern twist while preserving that vintage charm. It's equipped with an aluminum radiator, Schoenfeld headers, and a B&M shifter, all features that enhance performance and ensure reliability. The clean title means you can drive off with confidence. Imagine cruising down the road, feeling the wind in your hair as you navigate the classic dashboard from 1935. With digital gauges keeping you informed. The ride is enhanced by gas shocks in front and adjustable coilovers in the rear, offering a smooth driving experience. Plus, the custom headlights with integrated turn signals and Bluetooth amplified stereo create a perfect blend of style and functionality. This vehicle is in good condition and offers a remarkable opportunity for any classic car enthusiast or collector looking to invest in something truly special. With such a competitive price for a classic pre-1970 model, this Ford Model T Roadster is not just a purchase, it's an investment in automotive history. Don't miss out on this chance to own a guaranteed head-turner. Be sure to check the link in the description for more details and photos to fuel your passion for classic cars. Here's a standout custom-built 1923 Ford T-Bucket offered at $29,995 and located in Euless, Texas, right in the Mid-Cities area. This is a one-of-a-kind hot rod that blends classic Model T style with serious performance and show presence. Powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 with an aggressive tunnel ram setup, paired to an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive roadster delivers pure American hot rod attitude. Showing just 999 miles since the build, it's finished in black with a Kevlar-coated body, features flamethrowers, wheelie bars, and has a clean title. Built as a show-quality car, it has won multiple shows over its lifetime and is ready to be enjoyed again, whether cruising, displaying, or adding to a serious collection. This T-Bucket is ideal for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone wanting a bold vintage custom that turns heads everywhere it goes. If you're looking for a classic hot rod with personality, performance, and history, this is one you need to see. Check out the links in the description for more information and photos. Picture this, a piece of automotive history waiting to be brought back to life. The 1923 Model T, a classic that needs a little TLC but is well worth the effort. Priced at just $7,500 in Oak Grove, Missouri, this vintage gem is a solid investment for any car enthusiast or restoration lover. Though it's been sitting idle for a decade, it's still in great condition, boasting excellent tires and well-maintained wooden wheels. The exterior remains sharp in its original black paint, and while the convertible top shows some minor issues, it still holds that timeless charm. This sedan, powered by gas and equipped with a manual transmission, has only 2 miles on the odometer, which is truly remarkable for a car of this age. It hasn't run in 10 years, but an expert has confirmed that with minimal effort, it can be back on the road. A simple fuel tank flush and some care, and you'll have a running piece of history at your fingertips. The title is a bit damaged, but it's still available. The seller is firm on a cash-only deal, and with a little patience, this could be the restoration project of a lifetime. If you're a fan of classic cars, don't miss the chance to own this iconic Model T. Visit the link in the description for more photos and details. You won't regret taking a closer look at this timeless treasure. Welcome to your next classic car adventure. Today, we're excited to present a stunning 1923 T-Bucket. This beauty is located in Round Rock and is listed at an enticing price of just $13,500 or best offer. Now, let's dive into the details of this remarkable vehicle. This 1923 T-Bucket features a powerful Chevy 305 engine with 8 cylinders, delivering that thrilling drive you crave. With only 4,591 miles on the odometer, this classic is in good condition, ready to hit the road. Its eye-catching yellow exterior is complemented by a sleek yellow and black interior. The automatic transmission makes it easy to drive, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. But that's not all. This T-Bucket comes equipped with some fantastic upgrades. It has new aluminum fuel cell components, a rebuilt carburetor, and a completely rewired system using a painless wiring kit. All dash gauges are operational, providing you with peace of mind while you enjoy the ride. The unique wood-finish steering wheel, positioned at a comfortable 90 degrees to the floor, adds a touch of vintage charm. Plus, don't miss the blue lights underneath that give it a striking look at night. The owner has made significant improvements since purchasing it in 2022 and is now ready for the next enthusiast to take it to the next level. Key upgrades include new front tires, a fresh transmission fluid change, and a conversion to Petronix electronic ignition. This T-Bucket is also registered as an antique auto, valid until May 2028, which adds to its allure for collectors and classic car aficionados alike. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this classic masterpiece, turning heads wherever you go. If you're interested in this incredible 1923 T-Bucket, don't hesitate to check out the links in the description for more details and photos. Schedule a test drive today and make this classic car yours. Here's a head-turning classic hot rod that blends vintage style with modern muscle. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is offered at $17,500 and located in New Brockton, Alabama. Built in the iconic open roadster T-Bucket style, this car is powered by a strong-running 383 Summit Stroker V8 paired with an automatic turbo 350 transmission, delivering reliable performance and serious street presence. It features a 9-inch Ford rear end, extensive chrome throughout, and shows just 2,000 miles since build. The condition is described as excellent, with a clean title and gas-powered drivetrain, making it a turnkey cruiser rather than a project. This T-Bucket is ideal for collectors, weekend shows, or anyone wanting a classic hot rod with bold looks and proven performance. Whether you're adding to a collection or jumping into the vintage hot rod scene, this is a standout example. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and photos. Are you ready to own a true piece of American history? Today, I have an incredible classic car that's just waiting for the right owner. If you love vintage hot rods and unique builds, keep listening because this 1923 Ford Roadster is a rare find that won't last long. This is the 1923 Ford Roadster, a stunning vintage hot rod located right in Barstow, California. The asking price is just $5,000. Now, let's talk about what makes this car special. It's built with a powerful 8-cylinder engine, making it a real beast on the road. It has a clean title, so you can confidently register and enjoy it without worries. The car is in new condition, showing great care and craftsmanship in its build. With a drivetrain featuring rear-wheel drive and a smooth automatic transmission, specifically a TH350 with a shift kit, this car is ready to hit the street. It features a bright orange paint job that turns heads everywhere you go. The odometer reads just over 1,000 miles, indicating it's been recently built or restored, and it has a loud but reliable gear drive that adds to its hot rod appeal. The engine is a 350 motor, tuned to deliver 350 horsepower, perfect for cruising or showing off at car events. What makes this 1923 Ford Roadster a must-have? First, its vintage charm combined with modern touches creates an authentic but fun driving experience. The car has all the essentials that hot rod enthusiasts love: a classic look, a powerful engine, and a standard automatic transmission. Plus, it's a project that's almost finished, just needs a few final touches to make it your own. It's perfect for someone who wants a striking vintage car with a history and a future. Don't miss this chance to own a beautifully built vintage hot rod at an unbeatable price. Whether you're a collector or a weekend cruiser, this 1923 Ford Roadster is ready to turn heads and make memories. Check out the links in the description for detailed photos and more info on this amazing classic. Act fast, this one won't stick around long. Discover a hidden gem from the past, a 1924 Jewett original, priced at $9,500 in Palos Verdes, CA. This rare barn find, with only 65,009 miles on the clock, is the perfect project car for anyone who dreams of reviving a piece of automotive history. The car is in good condition, featuring a manual transmission and a gas-powered engine that still turns over. It's complete, with no rust-through, and even comes with a car cover to keep it protected during its next chapter. While the title is missing, this classic still holds its value, and the price reflects the potential for restoration. Located in the picturesque city of Rolling Hills, this is a true collector's dream waiting to be brought back to life. The car will require towing to its new home, but with a bit of effort, it could be transformed into a stunning example of vintage motoring. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or a classic car enthusiast looking for a project, this Jewett is calling your name. Call now to schedule an appointment, but act fast, the best offer takes it by Christmas. Don't miss out, check the link in the description for more details and photos. With the potential to bring this beauty back to its original glory, this Jewett is more than just a car, it's an opportunity to own a piece of automotive history.